Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. SLP token has once again reached the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern and also has formed this parallel channel as well. And in today's analysis, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And if you're following my videos and analysis on SLP token, then you might know that I have been following this trend line, long-term trend line since the month of April, even Feb 2022. And after that, we had here a fake out to the upside, but we got rejected by this resistance of 3 cents and moved more down and tested the support of this wedge once again, moved up, rejected by this next resistance, the most recent resistance at that time when it found here at $0.00571, and again moved down and again tested this support of the wedge. And I've been telling you that when SLP will be able to break out this long trend line, downtrend line resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then we can expect a very explosive move. And right now you can see SLP is once again reached the resistance of this falling wedge pattern to break it out. Now if we take a look at the next major support and resistance levels, then this is our next major resistance. Now we have here at $0.00571, almost half cents, and after that our next major resistance will be here at 1 cent. And you can see this level of half cents has been breaking as a support here, and now recently we got rejected as a resistance here. And if we take a look at this next resistance of 1 cent, then it was breaking as a support here and almost as a support here as well. And after that, our next major resistance on the weekly time frame will be here at 3 cents, and this was the level when we got rejected by this level when we were having a fake out from this falling wedge pattern in the month of April 2022. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here and support here. And the next major resistance, very strong resistance, will be here at 6 cents. And after breaking out this 6 cents, there will be a very powerful and major rally that can begin after breaking out the 6 cents. However, we are moving at half cents, and from half cents to 6 cents, we need a very big move. Let me replace this measurement tool from this low to up to this high. That will be approximately 1300%. So we need a pump like Terra Classic has started, such like pump to rally up to this level. However, the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern, its technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately 36 cents. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, on the 1 hourly time frame chart, then here it has formed a parallel channel, slightly moving to the upside, so you can also call it as an up channel as well. And here we had a fake out to the downside, but it recovered very soon, re-entered the channel. Now, for example, if we are going to break out this channel, then our target to the upside will be here at $0.00446. That will be very close to this next resistance, and we can also break out this bigger resistance of the wedge if we will break out this resistance of the smaller channel, and we can move to very close to this resistance of half cents to break it out. Therefore, the next few hours or even movements can be really very important. On the 4-hour time frame, we are moving in this up channel, and if we break out this channel, then this very big move can be started. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.